This is part 1 of a 6-part lesson on how to shade in order to create the illusion of form on a flat surface, as well as learning about different shading techniques. There are 6 main types of shading techniques that will be taught. This is a beginner's lesson which demonstrates how to shade a sphere using the blending technique. The other 5 videos will demonstrate the other shading techniques. Tools that will be used are a 3B drawing pencil, a drawing compass, an eraser, and a sheet of paper. This shading technique, blending, is done by creating smooth gradation of value. Basically, different tonal values to an area. This is achieved by adjusting the amount of pressure applied to the medium being used. I will be using a pencil as my medium for this video. I will begin by creating a circle, which I will then shade in order to create the illusion of form by executing a sphere. I begin by highlighting the darkest area of the sphere and creating what I refer to as a moon shape approach to shading. I start dark and gradually approach the light area by using less pressure on the pencil, allowing it to become lighter. I maintain my shading pattern, which is basically the moon shape approach. Here is my attempt.